Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is Yardmates. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Yardmates. So glad you're tuning in for another episode. Want to say big up to all our new subscribers. I'm Hi, I'm Devi. If you don't know me, big up on yourself. We love when you're here at Yardmates. Today we're doing something very interesting and exciting. We'll be doing salsa dancing. So we're by Spades Lounge, that's on Phoenix Avenue, and we're gonna learn how to salsa dance. No, don't laugh after me. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, so welcome
Hey everybody,
back.
welcome back.
We did some salsa dancing today. We came to this salsa dancing class, and I heard about it, so I said, let me go ahead and try it out and see what it's all about.
Yeah.
And we came here at Spades. It's at Spades nightclub, and what's the premises name again?
Spades Lounge. It's called Tomka, something like that.
Tomcas, right? It's our Phoenix Avenue,
Yeah,
something like that.
11 Phoenix Avenue. It's on Phoenix Avenue.
Right, so we came here tonight to try it out. The classes were like what, $500?
$500 per person.
Trust me, it was fun.
It was really fun. I worked up a lot of sweat. I dressed up so fancily and I sweat so much, but it was really good. The teachers, Chan and Michelle, they were really nice.
Right.
We were definitely beginners, and they were very patient with us.
Right.
And at the end of it, we learned 1 and 2 steps that you'll probably see. We'll probably put up a couple steps so you can see us actually dancing. The atmosphere is really nice. It's really an open and friendly place, especially if you're doing something for the first time. They're really patient with you.
That's true.
Yeah.
And trust me, again, the experience was really good. As Devon said, you just sweat. It just like, it's just like fun, and you're dancing and you're learning something new. I mean, just come and check it out for yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
And it's called, actually, you can follow them on their Facebook page. It's called Salsa Society of Jamaica, and they have these classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Right.
I think the one on Thursday is at a different location and it's at a different time, and I believe that it's free, the one on Thursday.
Right.
Yeah. So we'll have all that information in the description box, so you can always check it out. But it was really good. We really had a great time, and we'd encourage you all, even if you can't dance,
Right, come try it out. Trust me.
you should come and try it out. It's really fun. It's really good. It's really nice. And they're actually continuing dancing, but the lesson, so to speak, is over. But they play music afterwards, so you can continue practicing what you have learned. Hey, make we bust that down.
So guys, we want to thank you so much again for tuning in, for watching the show, for subscribing, just everything.
Big up our new subscribers in a large. We thank you for getting us past the 100. I think we're at about 106 right now,
like that.
and that is unbelievable. That's crazy, and more than 2,000 views. That's awesome. Big up on yourself. Remember to subscribe, those of you who haven't. Remember to like, share, and comment. Let us know as well where you'd like to see us go. Give us suggestions.
Don't forget to
follow us on Instagram at Yardmates. So check us out. It was so fun today, guys. We encourage you to do this. We'll see you next time. Let's salsa out.